What's up, everyone? My name is Daniel Ackerman. I'm a realtor with the Queens Home team of Keller Williams in New York City, serving Manhattan, Queens, and Brooklyn, and helping buyers, sellers, investors, and homeowners with knowledge, integrity, and professionalism. And this is the Tuesday 2-minute tip, where we cover one tip for sellers, buyers, investors, or homeowners in about 2 minutes. And today what we're talking about is home repairs, especially for sellers. And the tip is not to neglect doing home repairs before selling. So we're going to cover that in about 2 minutes. So here we go. Sellers, if you are planning on selling your home or about to list your home for sale, really, really important that you not neglect doing necessary home repairs. If you have a leaky roof, if you have a leaky faucet, if you have some floorboards that need some help, anything, any repairs that you can see that are obvious, it's really, really important to get those done, because you're not gonna get by without paying for that in one way or another. Either it's gonna affect your sale price by bringing the sale price significantly lower, or you're gonna have to pay out of pocket to get it fixed, or a combination of the two. And that's the worst case scenario. What you don't want to happen is to list your home, it needs repairs, you're gonna have to list it at a lower price just to get interest because of the psychological impact of a home that needs repairs. You know, when it's obvious, then buyers are gonna be less prone to give offers. So you're gonna have to compensate by lowering your offering price in order to just generate the offers. And then on top of that, you still might get hit with buyers asking you to pony up the money for the repairs or negotiating down further because of the repairs that are needed. Especially if an inspection report comes out and it says that repairs are needed, they're gonna try to negotiate you even lower on your price. So just preempt the whole thing and save yourself the hassle and the cost by making sure that you repair those things first. Yes, it's gonna cost you some money, but you'll be able to offer the home at a higher price, get better offers on the home, and you won't get hit with then an inspection report that says you need to shell out additional extra money to get those repairs done. So that's the tip for today, guys. Make sure to do necessary home repairs before listing your home for sale. If you need help identifying what those necessary repairs might be, then by all means get in touch with me. As an experienced realtor, I counsel people on this all the time. We can do a walkthrough of your property and let you know what things you need to repair and what things you can sort of let go without giving it too much attention. But you definitely want to address the things that need to be addressed before you list your home for sale, and I'm more than happy to help you with that. So hope you found this Tuesday 2-minute tip helpful. Once again, my name is Daniel Ackerman with the Queens Home team at Keller Williams in New York City. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up or share it with someone that you think it can help. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Just hit the button right down here and hit the bell, and you'll get notifications of all the new content on this channel. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.